Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We are bringing best engineering technical projects for you. So let's begin. We are in the field of technical projects. We are helping hands for school level and engineering project work. We support and give guideline for fabrication and manufacturing of engineering projects, guideline for SYNOPSIS, PPT, report writing, guideline for design calculations and drawings. Please do not forget like and share the video. Also give comments and feedbacks for our work. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos updates. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.